What's up, guys? So it's been a little while. I'll explain. So we're using Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Bailey's Irish Coffee. Yeah, Bailey's Irish Coffee. Very nice gourmand type scent. Not something that I could personally use every day scent wise, but it's still good. In the brush is the Omega 10048 Boar brush. We have that loaded, ready to go. Obviously, I've pre-lathered. For the aftershave, we're going to be using Old Spice's aftershave. This is the original. I believe this was sent from Linguaphile, and I believe this is a true Old Spice, like from back in the day. All right, and for the shaving utensil, the Dorco. We're going to use the Dorco. This was also sent by LP. I've yet to open it, so let's go ahead and open it. We're going to use the blade that it comes with. Actually, it comes with two blades. It comes with two blades. Two Dorco blades. So, I haven't done any research on this whatsoever. It's just going to kind of be a quick little thing. Very, very light handle, like feather light. It's a twist to open. That's pretty cool. So it twists and it breaks here at this point. Is it a 3-piece or a 2-piece? It's a 2-piece. Okay, neat. So it's a 2-piece razor. So let's go ahead and get our blade open and start this puppy up. This is going to be a quick 2-pass. Have a lot of stuff to do today. They are double wrapped, Dorco, with their secondary wrapping. I don't know what the difference is in Dorco blade. Oh, very nice. There are absolutely no glue globs on either side. Very nice. Came out of this nice. But I have some other Dorco DEs that have this exact same design and lettering and whatnot, wording. But instead of blue lines and words, it's they're orange. So maybe Dorco has several different blades. All right. So I'm gonna put that right on top here. The blade's very nicely marked, very visible, nice and dark. Dorco stainless blade, Dorco stainless blade. Same on both sides. All right, so let's pop this on here. I'm putting it on the base plate first. And then I don't think that there's a correct way to put this on. I think it's probably interchangeable both ways. So we'll push this down and twist this. All right, cool. So that was very easy. Eesh. All right, the alignment's gonna be a bit hectic, I can already tell. Yeah, that's definitely. All right, I gotta change that. So as I'm tightening it down, it's shifting, the blade is shifting. So I've gotta kind of figure this out. So give me 1 second. All right, there we go. So it's kind of finicky. I mean, what do you expect? It's a sub $3, razor, sub $4 with tax. So, it's, what do you expect? But okay, very cool. That's the razor with the blade in it, and let's get going. I have a little over 48 hours, maybe. I don't know, just under maybe. I don't know. I shaved. It's Saturday morning, and I shaved Wednesday evening, so something like that. I feel like I have to put a lot of pressure with this because it's so light. Very mild. Cleaned out very nice. No problems with the rinse ports. I'm doing a lot of buffer passes just because the razor is very, very light and I'm trying to pick up, as much as I can on the first pass. Overall, this feels very smooth, but there's very little to no blade feel somewhere in that range. There's definitely still, a good bit of hair left after that pass, but I also feel like it's this is more geared towards the newer guy, and the newer guy is coming from, more than likely they're not coming from DEs, they're coming from straight razors. They're coming from just normal cartridge razors. And the cartridge razors are very light themselves, most of them, not all of them, but most of them. And, they push a lot on those as well. So I feel like this is a good introductory blade or setup, razor and blade. We'll see my thoughts after this next pass, but my initial thought is very nice for a new guy. Personally, I'm left wanting more. But it's not geared for, in my opinion at least, this isn't geared for the seasoned, whatever you want to say, wet shaver that's tried several different, DEs. Now, I'll probably say this and it'll happen, but I feel like there's pretty much no chance of cutting myself with this razor. I'm not joking when I say I'm putting some force into cutting, and I'm feeling very, very little blade feel, and it's not constant blade feel. It's like here and there, like around my chin area I was feeling it, but it's because it's curved. All right. I'm impressed. That is actually That's actually where I think I would be with most of my other razors after the second pass. I'm gonna do a third pass. I was only planning on doing 2, but I want to see what BBS feels like with this razor, if I can achieve it with 3 passes. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this. Yeah, this is, so far, this is impressing me. You know, I mean, there's little gripes here and there, but I don't like to gripe about things that are $2.99, or maybe that's $2.89. I can't really read it. You know, how do you gripe about that? I'm gonna try to do it quick. I want to see, with as much pressure as I'm putting, I want to see if it's, gonna cut me. A lot of buffering due to the fact that it's not really aggressive. But the end result is the same after buffering several times. I mean, there's no hair left. And there was absolutely zero worry of me cutting myself that entire time. Gonna rinse it. Oh, no overhang either on either side. No blade overhang. Wow. Yeah, I'm impressed. I just received a baby bottom smooth shave. 3 passes with a $3 razor. Yeah. So, I was not expecting this. I wasn't expecting a bad shave. It looked mild. So I knew I wouldn't get a bad shave, but I just didn't expect it to be efficient. You could be mild and still be efficient. And that's what this is. And as you can see, there is absolutely no cuts or anything. I am dealing with this, but that has nothing to do with anything other than my skin. All right, guys, so that was the Dorco Dorco double edge razor. I mean, that's what it is. This is the packaging, and this is the little razor. See if you could find this, man, because honestly, I would have absolutely no hesitation throwing this in like a travel bag and shaving with this daily. Comes with 2 blades. You'll probably get, depending on your hair, 5 to 10 shaves off of each blade. So, you know, you can get a couple weeks worth of shaves there. All right, let's go with some, well, I do have a couple weepers on the neck, actually. The scent on this, phenomenal. That's it, guys. Sorry for the lack of videos. Been very busy this week with work. Hopefully next week's a little slower. I had to pick up my wife and the kid yesterday at the airport. I was planning on shaving yesterday. That was like my scheduled shave day, but things pop up. So, like I said, I'm shooting this Saturday morning. It'll probably be uploaded Saturday evening, Saturday night, or Sunday morning, something like that, whenever I can find time. You know, because with the kid here now, it's a little bit more difficult. Yeah, we do have a couple of little weepers down here, but other than that, we're perfectly fine. This, honestly, honest opinion, absolutely worth the money. It's super light, no overhang, like, you know, it's plastic, so it's not the smoothest when dragging it across your face. You have to have a slick soap, or else it's going to grab. That is the advancements in metal, because it kind of like slides across your face a lot easier. But yeah, overall, that razor is phenomenal. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next shave.